Hi, my name is Zachary. I am a rising sophomore at Hong Kong International School, and for my starter project, I decided to create an electronic dice. Now, this electronic dice kit is comprised of many different materials and components. Some were quite difficult to work with as I had to solder them on, such as the LED lights, the diode, and the PIC chip, to name a few. Now, this is my first time doing soldering, and because of that, I made considerable mistakes, such as placing the PIC chip at an angle as I didn't latch it on properly. Now, because of that, I had to solder the PIC chip on the skin of its teeth, literally, and I also had to try and be careful with soldering on the battery as I didn't want to damage any of the LED lights. Now, I chose this project because I wanted to do something that was tangible and challenging but also fun at the same time, and I think I got all of that out of this project because I think that it was quite challenging for me to initially do this because soldering was something I wasn't really familiar with and I was kind of scared of. But now, after completing this project, I kind of enjoy it more and I want to do it again. I think that this project was also fun, and that this project also created a fun item, as this functions in the same way as a dice. You tap it on a table and it shows a number from 1 to 6 on LED lights, which is kind of fun if you want to play dice with your friends but don't really have a dice, but hey, you have this. Well, thank you.